in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to make Roblox games on mobile. And is it possible today? I heard before that it's easy for some Roblox users to get access to Roblox Studio. So this time, let us try. You can make a Roblox game using your Roblox application. So you must go to a web browser, like any web browser, and then kind of type roblox.com. And then here, what you're going to do is to make sure that you're using the desktop mode or side. So in order to do that, you have to tap this three dots at the top right corner and then kind of check desktop site. And then here, what you're going to do is to simply click create. And then here, once you get access to your Roblox Studio, all you have to do is to simply click create new games. Okay, under create, you can see here create new games. Okay, that is also under my creations. And all you have to do is to simply tap that one and it will take you directly to the area or place where you can create your game. This is not really the exact view, but this is just a bit of idea of what you can see when you start creating game here on Roblox. So there you can see plus icon, you can see base plate, and you can use whatever templates you can use. But unfortunately, I heard and I saw in some videos that it's kind of hard for you to get access to Roblox. Okay, so sometimes the file won't work, and no matter how you tap Roblox Studio, it won't download. So it means whatever device you're trying to use to access Roblox Studio will not be compatible. So unfortunately, I have seen also that some users also encounter this kind of problem. Lucky if you can access or you can download Roblox Studio using your mobile. But anyways, if you can see that Roblox Studio, okay, you just have to follow the same method because it's the same thing. Okay, so lucky if you can download Roblox Studio and if you have access to that. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.